What's up, you guys, from the sunny Nassau, Bahamas, or that's actually just a wall behind me. It could have been, I can be in Jacksonville, Florida, who knows. I'm gonna drop a video today. We're gonna talk about how much my business has made in January. Let me see how I look. Okay, I'm okay. All right, let's go. There's not much for us to say. I excluded a lot of the side businesses that they're not producing, I'm selling, so on and so forth. So we got only ATM, coin pushers, and gumball machines. Everything else I've taken out. So there's no Turo, there's no massage chair. I'm gonna sell that to the owner, most likely, or to anybody else. Gumballs I still keep, although I do sell my business. If you're interested, please let me know. I have a few people interested already, but no one has committed to anything yet. All right, what else? Merchant services, I'm not including. They're like $10 a month. It's just not even worth mentioning. Digital ads, once I start making money, I will include them. But when we remove all that, we're left with ATMs, coin pushers, claw machines. So ATMs for the month of January made me $966, which is about normal. I paid $395 out of that, and that left me with $571.80 as profit. Coin pushers, I made $788, but because my profit I split with the person who's actually doing the machine and taking care of the machine, I made only almost $400, which is okay. Actually, $800 for the month, pretty decent considering that one of my machines is still into a storage unit. Another one of my machines I made with tokens. That's gonna be worth 50 cents, so I can put more prices and make more money. But that's not ready yet. I haven't installed it yet, but that video is still to come. The video is still to come because I haven't filmed it, and I haven't filmed it because I haven't installed it. So $571 for ATMs and $394 for coin pushers. Claw machine, $194 is what I made. So I don't know if you know how I split the claw machine, but I grabbed the money. So this month it made $290. Okay, 33% goes for toys and merchandise, which is basically, so $290 is the gross. Okay, so I'm taking 1/3 of it and put it towards what I lost in merchandise, and then the remainder, which is so 33% from the $290 gross, 33% goes for merchandise. That is $96 goes for merchandise, and the remaining, 2/3 I cut in half. Basically, it comes down to 33% is for me, 33% is for the owner, which is $96, and 33%, another $96, goes for the merchandise. But I don't do it like that in my calculation because I've already bought a lot of toys last year. This is a write-off for last year, not for this year. So basically, I put 2/3 of the money, $194 to be precise. I'm putting that amount into my profit, and then when where did my spreadsheet go? And then when I purchase toys, I just minus it. That's how I do it. So for this month, all in all, I made $1,160. All right, so that's it for today's update. January, we're cashing out $1,160, and that's it. Keep hustling, guys, and don't forget the golden goal, or the golden rule, whatever you want to call it. The goal is not to look rich, but to be rich. Keep hustling. See you next time.